types of business, right? One is cash based business, another is credit based, and third is hybrid. When we talk about this, cash based, these are the businesses which are dealing with cash, right, in order to give away products or services. So, seller and buyer both are very tension free. There is no pressure. Seller will sell the product and buyer will make the payment. So, it is like a payment based business. Credit based is the business which is allowing you to avail the product or service and pay them later. So pay us now, अगर ये term है pay us now is cash based. If it is this, it is like pay us later. हमें बाद में pay कर देना, there is no problem. So that business is basically credit based. Hybrid is mixture cash plus credit. So when we talk about these businesses are risky businesses. Risky in the terms that buyer may or may not pay, buyer may get insolvent, buyer may have certain problems in the payment, right? So the seller needs some sort of guarantee. So in credit based or in hybrid based, these kinds of terms are very common, very prominent: collateral or security. So we are going to deal with all these security under this act. So I'm going to explain you meaning of these three terms separately. What is the meaning of negotiable? Transferable, exchangeable. मतलब just आपने एक exchange किया, कुछ भी exchange किया, that is known as negotiable. What is the meaning of instrument? It is any document, any draft, any check that explains IOU. हम ऐसे भी लिख देते हैं, अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक IOU, विच डिफाइंस कि हाँ मैं कुछ आपको, मेरी उधारी है आपके प्रति, कुछ ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट किसको बोलेंगे? कोई भी ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट जो कि ये शो करेगा कि बायर की उधारी सेलर के प्रति है, IOU. So any check, any draft, any document, and all this is basically instrument. And when it is act, it is a legality and enforceability. Needless to tell you, जब legality and enforceability, अब enforceability का मीनिंग बताऊं तो आपको कई बार आप सुन चुके हो sue and be sued, कि कुछ ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट जिसको हम चैलेंज कर सकते हैं इन द आइज ऑफ लॉ, whereby seller has an option to go to court if anything happens contradictory, नहीं पे करता है. So those kinds of securities, those kinds of drafts, those kinds of check, those kinds of document are all called instrument. अब तीन तीन वर्ड का अलग अलग से मीनिंग समझिए. नेगोशिएबल क्या मतलब है? कुछ भी चीज़ जो ट्रांसफ़र की जा सकती है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट कोई भी ऐसी लीगल कोई भी ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट जो कि ये शो करता है कि येस आई ओ यू, आई हैव, ओ का मतलब होता है उधार, मेरे, मैं आपको कुछ देने का उधार, उधार ही है, देनदारी है, मैंने को आपको देना है. कुछ भी ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट जो कि ये शो करे आई ओ यू. और एक्ट जब वर्ड आ गया तो एक्ट इज लॉ. लॉ मीन्स लीगैलिटी which can be challenged, which can be sued, which can be enforced. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Look at this. What is negotiable instrument? Now you will be able to understand this. Negotiable instrument means a written document which entitles a person sum of money. Yes. It is a written, so that's why it is act, it's enforceable. Verbally, there is no record, and verbal documents are not presented before the court. Judge always say कि अगर कुछ प्रूफ है तो लेकर आओ, अदरवाइज मेरी नज़र में ये गिल्टी नहीं है. एवरी पर्सन इज इनोसेंट इन द आइज ऑफ लॉ अनटिल इट इज प्रूव्ड समवेयर रॉन्ग. तो वो प्रूफ जो है वो ऑल आर इन रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट. Nego